Hi everyone, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing just a whole series of videos. The last couple weeks I have been working like crazy, and then I had a sick daughter, and so I have like all these subscription boxes and things that I needed to do a video. So I'm doing a bunch in a row. I'm gonna post them up every couple of days. So no, I am not wearing the same outfit 3, 4, 5 days in a row. And I didn't get a chance to do makeup because I literally worked 10 out of the, no, how many? It was like 12 out of the last 15 days, plus my poor daughter got like a fever. It's just hot mess. Today's video is Tarte was running a sale. I think it was on Memorial Day. I don't remember. Anyway, I, in one of my late night being up with the baby things, ended up purchasing them, and I ended up not realizing this at the time, but now that I have it in, it's mostly the kits. So I thought this would be a fun thing to go over the different kits. I got these were all discounted, and then there was like an additional 20% off or something. So this whole haul did hardly cost me any money. So I don't remember the prices exactly of what I paid, but I will try to kind of generally give you a ballpark. So just to kind of go over them, so they threw in a free lipstick sample. So the only thing that I did not get in this haul that was a Tarte product is I wanted to get a Z palette. And so this is the Tarte Hard Performance Z palette. I'm just going to open it up here. I've been watching this one because I think it's super cute, and I think it's regularly, or it was on sale for like $17, and I got it discounted off of that, so I think I paid like $10 for this. So this is what it is. It is so glittery. It's purple and pink, but you know, for like all those little samples that I get in my different like Ipsy bags and stuff, I needed a Z palette to be able to pop it in. So it does have a big old mirror, but I just thought this was adorable, so I got this. But this wasn't one of the kits. So let me go on to the kits now. So the first kit I got was the Tarte Skincare Gym Bag Grabs. So this comes with the, it basically refresh your gym. And the reason I wanted to get this is because I like the Tarte eyeshadow, or not eyeshadow, good lord, this is going to be a hot mess of a video. I like the Amazonian Clay Gifted Mascara, but it's black, and I wanted a different one that was like a brown color because I wear a lot of brown mascaras. In fact, weirdly enough, I'll have to go over it in a video, but my favorite mascara is a Neutrogena one. Again, I'll have to go over that one in a different video and tell you guys why I like it and everything. But so this came with a waterproof or sweatproof mascara, which I don't have a lot of those. And then it comes with a moisturizer, some wipes, and other stuff. So let's just dig into it. So my box, by the way, this is a kudos to Tarte. So they ship them in these little boxes that are nicely packaged up, and they wrap them all up. And the box was smashed to smithereens. And I think it's because they sent it by FedEx, whatever, Smart Post, where it like hopped all around the US, and it went like towards me and then like past me into a different state and then back. And so that poor box, by the time I got it, was like smashed to smithereens. And the products all came out okay. Now one of the boxes, this one I'll show you here, was pretty smushy, but the way they had wrapped it up, my products came intact and everything. So kudos to Tarte for like wrapping that good. So this one came in, and I've played with these a little bit, but it came all wrapped up like that. And in this particular thing, I think this one was like $10 after the fact, if that. Like I got it for super cheap. So it comes with these Fresh Eyes Marcuja, I'm probably saying that wrong, waterproof eye makeup removers, which is good because I have some Burt's Bees waterproof eye makeup removers that I'm almost out of. So there's these, and they're in a cute little sample size. They're 10. Throw them into your gym bag and go. The next thing that was in this is I'm just going to read this off here. This is the Hydrate and Tint Quench Lip Rescue. Now I actually haven't tried any of their full-on lipsticks. I have their lip glosses. This is very interesting packaging. It's got little shells, but it is like cardboard almost. So this is the color Nude, and it is so itty bitty cute. It is definitely a little sample size, but you can see here. I'm just gonna swatch a little color here. Ooh, whoa! This is not what I was expecting at all. It is more like a lip gloss. Look at that. It's very sheer. I'm just gonna put some on here, and look at that. When you rub it, it's like very watery. If you like traditional lipsticks, you guys are probably gonna hate this. Let me just pull out my little palette mirror here and put it on. Oh, it smells really good. It's like a minty flavor here. Just put it on here. Okay, so this is more like a lip gloss in a stick. That's a really creative, cool idea. Yeah, this is actually something I might take work with me. I love these little sample sizes because when I'm at work, I like having something to put on my lips. So right now I have like a little Winky Lux, the glazed lip gloss that I use a lot. I love it. It's the praline, I think, glazed praline or coffee. I don't know. It's one of the ones from the glazed lip or the donut glazed lip series, and it's a cute little bottle, and I use that nonstop because I love it. But this is awesome. This is almost reminds me of like a Burt's Bees with like a little tint. Like it has that minty flavor and taste and smell, and it's cute little packaging. Like I could put this in my pocket at work and run around from a patient room to patient room. So yeah, that's cool. I wouldn't have thought to get this product at all when I was looking on it online. So this is the Tarte, does this say gifted or lifted? Lifted mascara. Okay, so I have no idea how good this is, but this is the sweat proof, and this is in a brown color. Kind of, there's the wand. So I'm gonna try this out and see how I like it, because I am on a kick of different brown mascaras. And then the final thing that comes in here, and I've heard mixed things about this, is a highlighting moisturizing. So this is the Brighter Days. I've seen this on like edit sales and stuff for FabFitFun. I'm gonna open this up just because I'm curious. What I've heard is this stuff is like highlighter. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on here and see what I think. Ooh, it is. That is, I'm gonna have to show you guys this because it's pretty bright. So that's that. So I'm just gonna put that on my hand and see how highlighty it makes me feel. I don't know if I would put this on my like whole body, but it definitely has a glow. Like if you're not pale like I am, you can see it's like super shiny. I don't know if you can see, but it is like, it's not bad on my skin tone because I'm so pasty, but I think if you were darker skin, this would be kind of overwhelmingly highlighty. I don't mind this. This isn't bad for me, but I definitely think it would be interesting on some other people. So that's that first kit. So moving on here. So the next thing I got is the Tarte Skin Performance. This was the Bronze and More Sun Glow. I think this was also like 10 bucks. It was super cheap on sale. So it's supposed to get the Brazilian Plus Auto Bronzant, the Better Bod Bronzer and Contour, the Brazilian Ligates, which I think of like the face towels. I'm completely messing this up. And then the Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. And I do have the Park Avenue Princess Contour Kit, so I do love that here. So again, wrapped up, cute little thing in a little box here. This is super cheap. And so in it, it is the Better Bod Bronze and Contour. So let me see if they say on the boxes what this is. So this is instantly bronze and blurs imperfections. And the reviews said that this stuff, I'm going to open it here because so it has a safety seal. You can see it here. Everyone says this is not really orangey. Ooh, it looks orange though. I'm a little scared to try this, but I'm going to put a little bit of this on here. I'm pasty, so a little goes a long way with me. So you can see it here. Ooh, I don't know if this is going to work on me. Yeah, that's weirdly orange. This may be a complete miss for me. Well, I don't think this is gonna probably go well with me. I'm not feeling this. I'm just gonna wipe this off here. Yeah, that I'm not feeling. Maybe better for someone who's not quite so pasty and pale. Well, that's a little disappointing. I'll have to go online and read a little bit more about this, but I am not loving that. Not loving that. All right, so the next thing here is the Brazilian Plus. This is a self tanner. Again, I'm going to break into this. Ooh, let's see. What in the world? Is this dried out? Okay, hold on here. It had a safety seal on it. Ooh. Okay, this is like super thick. I'm a little scared about this too. Oh boy, this is dark. I may not have, I should not have listened to the reviews here. I am going to put this a little bit further on my arm. It definitely doesn't have an orangey cast like the other one. Oh, actually, that's not bad. Huh, that's not bad. Okay, so this says, stroke at least a quarter-sized amount of self-tanner to application mitt and apply one part at a time. Long even strokes until the bronze color is uniform. Allow to absorb for 10 minutes before dressing. Wait at least 8 hours before showering or shaving to allow seamless tan to fully develop. So actually, yeah, we'll have to try this out. Of course, I'm getting it on my hands here, but I have hopes on that. That doesn't look orangey. Alright, so then there's this face towelette, self-tanning face towelette. I'm not going to use this now. I'm going to try this later, and I'll have to get back with you. Everybody says this doesn't make you orange. I'm a little terrified, but I will try it one day when I'm being brave. And then the final thing is this. This is the Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer, and I do like my Park Avenue Princess, and I brought some brushes in here. Sorry, I'm gonna go away from the camera here, so that I could kind of like try it out a little bit. So let me dig into my brushes here. I think I got this. Yeah, this is one of my BoxyCharm brushes. I love this brush. Okay, so putting it on there. Yeah, it works good for lighter skin. So it looks like it's going to be dark on there, but it's not bad at all. I love this stuff. So anyway, there is that. So that's that box. Chugging right along. I have 2 more boxes, and then we'll be done with this video. So trying to keep these a little bit shorter. So this one, it was the Bronze and Glow, because I'm kind of trying out a bunch of different highlighters and stuff. Right now, I haven't figured out what my favorite highlighter and bronzer, but I have a whole bunch of them, so I figure I will go over those in a little bit. So this is the Exposed Highlight. This is Amazonian Clay Highlight. I've heard great things about, you know, the different Amazonian Clay products here. So I'm going to... Oh, sorry guys, I'm trying to do this off the screen, and that's just a bad idea. I'm going to put this on here. It's pretty light. I'm not really feeling like this is popping too much. Let me try a littler brush. It's not bad. It's definitely subtle. If you want like a radiating, like ooh, this is definitely not your highlighter. But for work, that's pretty subtle. I don't mind. Oof, sorry, throwing things. This is not my best video. I apologize. Alright, and then this is the Hotel Harris. So this is the little bit darker. Again, I think I have this color in the contour kit, the Park Avenue Princess, but I'm just going to swatch a little bit on here. So this is a little bit darker. I may give this away because it's a little bit darker and I have a little bit harder time, or I may keep this as more of like an eyeshadow. I don't know. I'll play around with it. So that's that. And then the final one is this kit here. So this is normally $40. I think I got this for 20 bucks. This is the Tarte High Performance Hydrate and Glow. And the reason I wanted it is purely for this palette here, which is normally, I think, 30 some odd dollars. And then for right now, I think they're on sale at Ulta for 25. So this comes with a couple of things here. So you can see in here. It comes with the eyeshadow palette. With this is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. The lipstick, a moisturizer, and a facial mist. So we'll just start on one end and work our way through this. So this is the lipstick. This is called Island Life. Again, I haven't really tried their lipsticks too much, so this is it. It's a little on the darker side than I probably reached to, but oh, that's a really pretty color. So I'm just going to put this right over the other lip gloss that I put on. That's actually really pretty. That's not too dark. So yeah, that's nice. So that's that. It's, again, cute little thing. I actually like these little tiny ones. I feel like I don't go through full sizes before they go bad. Okay, so this next one is the Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Cream. Ooh. Ooh, that smells so good. It smells like lavender. Wow, that's not what I was expecting. Some of their other stuff doesn't smell quite that awesome. Oh. Oh, I like. I don't know, I'll have to try this out. I have lots of creams that I'm working on right now, but well, the smell kind of goes away after a while, but that's kind of cool. All right, we'll do the mist next. So this is the 4-in-1 setting mist. I'm just gonna, it's not a, ooh. Oh guys, it smells like oranges. Ooh, I'm excited about that. Okay, I'll have to try this out because I have a couple different setting sprays, but this is it. It's a cute little bottle here. The spray was pretty fine, so we'll see how that works. I might have to do like a big old video on like all the Tarte products I have because I just keep buying Tarte products. I love their stuff. And then kind of tell you my faves, hits, and misses. Okay, so this is the palette. This is the one thing that I was really excited about. So it's really, really pretty. It only has one matte, which is actually a really good shade for your transition shade. So it's like a peachy pink, which is perfect for my skin tone. And then it has all these beautiful shimmer shades, and I'm just gonna swatch like a couple of them so you get an idea of you know, what they look like. These are not quite as buttery as some of their others, but they're still popping. Oh, pretty, pretty. Look at that. So I am excited about this, and it's got the cute little peacock thing. I think Tarte does such a great job with their products. So anyway, that is my haul. It's a bunch of stuff. Tell me what you think, as always, and I will kind of post below what these are, so you can find them on the website. But anyway, subscribe, hit the little bell to notify you when my videos come up, and always tell me what you think. And I'll link below all like my social media, everything. I am, like I said, gonna try to do a massive like catch up on everything because I severely got behind, and so everything, my blog, my Facebook page, all of that are behind. So I am gonna start really going through these products so that you guys can get an idea, because that's why I like doing this, is I like to see these products. Sorry, I'm trying to find, the cap came off of something and I'm trying to find out what it came off of. Oh, there it is. It came off this. This I would not want to go all over the place. Anyway, I'm trying to find, I want to go through all these products and then kind of give you guys a review because, you know, I enjoy watching videos like that, so I assume other people do. But anyway, thanks guys. I will talk to you later.